Controlling the AbSciex software, first thing to do is navigate to your spot, the position tab here, or you can click on the spot itself. Yep, and you can just click on the next spot if you wanted to move over to the right, and it would move over there, or you can move back. And then practice double left clicking and walking around, so that's just a double left click. Yep, and then you walk around without firing the laser. Okay, so right now we're in reflector positive, the acquisition method, reflector default, processing, and that's the best mode for peptides, but you want to go ahead and do proteins. So let's go ahead and open up the linear high. So you go to File, Open, Acquisition method, and then you would go to the linear high mass positive method right there, and hit Open. And it's already open, so it's just highlighted there. And then you want to set that as your active method by either going to File, Set as Active Acquisition Method, or you can click on the shortcut right there, okay? And then it looks like they already have open your linear high processing method, so you just go to File and open the processing method if you wanted to, but let's go ahead and just set that one as active by clicking on it. So clicking on that one and then just setting it as active with the shortcut. All right, so now go to the linear high laser tab, and that's where you're gonna set your mass range. So let's go ahead and set your mass range. I don't know, you're looking at a 60K and then you're trying to see multiplication. So maybe go 40,000. My zero is really bad, yeah. Up to maybe 200,000, 250,000 maybe. There you go, that's a good number. And put your focus mass at 60,000. Let's just move that up a little bit. And then you make a left click in box, hold down the left click button, make a box, and then let go of it. And so that's gonna go ahead and now switch over to the linear beam path, and it's gonna then re-ramp the laser, and then it will fire the laser within that box automatically so you can acquire data, right? And this takes a long time. As soon as the blue turns to green, then it will start firing the laser, but it could take a minute or so. You know? All right, so it's firing the laser. And we're already up, so you can try moving the laser intensity. That would go up. I think we're basically at the max laser power I would use, but go up, use a double arrow, and that will raise it at 100 at a time. So let's go up to 77, and let's fire again. So once you click around and go over to the other side of the spot, double left click, and you can do that one, and then double left click and kind of walk around. Let's see if we see anything. Does not look great. And then let's go to your next spot down the road, because maybe it's too concentrated. Let's look at the next one. So just click on it there, yep, or there. Yep, and then go ahead and box that one and fire. Yeah, it looks like we're not seeing it there. And then I would just try the last one just for fun, but it's probably not going to work. And then let's try out the syntonic acid matrix. It's starting to look maybe a little bit better. All right, and so that's how you fire the laser. And so even though we didn't get anything, go ahead and practice clearing the accumulated spectrum, the peptide data. Yep, clear that one, and then go ahead and click back on the top spectrum and practice adding that into your accumulated sum. So that would be the sum button right there, and that's how you would build an accumulated spectrum. And then go ahead and practice. You don't need to save it, but we can make yourself a folder. Go to Spectrum, so Spectrum, save Spectrum to File, and make sure that you're clicked on the one you want to save, so the accumulated one. And then you want to go up and go ahead and navigate to your group. Yeah, that's the one you want to save. And then you want to click up and navigate to your group and save your data in your data folder. So when you're done, your data saved, to eject the plate, you would go to Plate, here at the top, Plate, Eject Plate, or you'll see the shortcut icon there on eject plate, so you could use that as shortcut, eject plate icon, and it says, are you sure you want to eject the plate? And you're like, yes, okay. The thing to watch out for is that make sure that there's not a plate on the right side, because it is going to kick out the plate onto the right pad. There's supposed to be a sensor there, it won't let you do that. And until you hit eject, this compartment's actually not been pumped down under vacuum, so you can open and close that while the sample is in there. And then eventually it's going to kick the target out. Once this pressure monitor box goes away, the pressure will be released, and you'll be able to open that out. And then you just want to take your plate off that side and put it back over here for somebody else.